Oke, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, Hello everyone, my name is Gunawan Wibisono and my friend.
Okay, and I am is Indra Mesdano.
Okay, in here we want to present the task of simulation speed control of a 12-volt DC motor. Use one push button power and one push button for clockwise or counter clockwise. On the Arduino software microcontroller, Proteus, and Arduino IDE software. Okay, the component we use consists of Arduino Uno and two button, resistor, two capacitor, two pole relay, battery, DC motor, and blue LED.
Okay, the first step begin with adding the Arduino Uno component to the Proteus simulation. Next, connect the push button with power and resistor and ground on the input pin for the Arduino output pin. It is connect to a resistor and the connect to a transistor that function as a connector or breaker and a two pole relay with a 5 pole setting as a safety because the voltage from the battery exceeds the Arduino voltage capacity. After that, two DC motor pins are connected to different relay output poles, where then from the two output poles are forward to grounding. The positive pin from the battery is connected on the input pole of the relay and transistor, while the outer pin is connected on the grounding. After the device in Proteus in assembly, the next step is to create a program using the Arduino IDE software that will be transferred to the Arduino Uno in the Proteus simulation.
Okay, this is detail for the program we created. And first, we define push button on the A0 and A1 pin and the pin 12 and 13 on the pin output. Okay. After that, we set the push button as a input like this and uh, pin 12 or pin 1 output and pin 2 or 13 also output. Okay, after that we initiate with the following condition. If push button 1 is allow and push button 2 is allow, the pin 1 and 2 or pin 12 and 13 is will be low. Next, if the push button 1 is a high and push button 2 is a low, the pin 12 is a low and then pin 13 will be high. Next, if uh, push button 1 is a high and push button 2 is high, pin 12 is on high and the pin 13 will be low. And last, if the push button 1 is low and push button 2 is a high, the pin 12 and 13 will be low. Okay, then after getting the coding, sorry,
Okay. Then after getting coding, result enter then into the Arduino in Proteus by copying the storage of the Arduino coding resolution below which and which head. Then after uh, double click Arduino Uno in Proteus and in the program file enter the link that has been copied and click OK.
okay, then we run the program and uh, we can see from the program if the push button 1 is a high, push button 2 is a low, the motor DC uh, counter clockwise rotation. If the push button 2 is high, the DC motor is clockwise rotation. And if the push button 1 is low, the motor is uh, stop like this from plus to be 0, but it is too slow. Okay, we can see from the program uh, the motor will be rotated if the push button 1 is high and will turn off if push button 1 is low. When the motor rotates, the motor will be rotated clockwise when the push button 2 is high and counterclockwise when the push button 2 is low. Okay, this is for the chart diagram. If the push button 1 is low, the all is low. But if the push button 1 is high, push button 2 is low, the motor DC is rotation counterclockwise. So in CCW is high. But if the push button high, the motor DC motor is clockwise rotation. So in CW is high. And last, if push button is low, the all is low. Okay, maybe this all from we ask. Thanks for watching and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.